There are 6 addition and subtraction formulas for trigonometry. 2 for sine, 2 for cosine, and 2 for tangent. I'm going to do one of each, specifically using the degree measurements. So first I'm going to start off with sine of 75 degrees. So I look at 75 and I think, how can I break up 75 into something that's a lot easier to understand, particularly the nice trig values of 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and so on. Those nice things that you can find on the unit circle. Well, I look at 75 and I can say that it's 45 plus 30, because that'll give me 75. So I'm going to do sine of 45 plus 30. And when I do that, using the sum formula for sine, I'm going to get sine of 45 cosine of 30 plus cosine of 45 sine of 30. And then from here, since these are the nice trig values you find on the unit circle, what does each one mean? Well, sine of 45 is just square root of 2 over 2. Cosine of 30 is just square root of 3 over 2. Cosine of 45 is just square root of 2 over 2. And sine of 30 is just a half. And now I'm just going to multiply them together, and I'm going to end up getting square root of 6 over 4 plus square root of 2 over 4. And that's typically good, but if you want just one fraction, you can write it as square root of 6 plus square root of 2 over 4. And that would be what sine of 75 degrees is as an exact answer. Now let's do cosine of 15 degrees. Well, I gotta think, what could cosine of 15 degrees break down to? What could I get to get 15? Well, I can probably use the same two numbers before, except I'm going to subtract them. I can do 45 minus 30. That'll give me 15. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do cosine of 45 minus 30. So when I do that, plug it into my cosine difference formula, subtraction formula, I'm going to get cosine of 45, cosine of 30, plus, because it's signs are different for this one, sine of 45, sine of 30. And then I figure out what each exact value is. So cosine of 45 is square root of 2 over 2. Cosine of 30 is square root of 3 over 2. Sine of 45 is square root of 2 over 2. And sine of 30 is just a half. Again, multiply it all together. I'm going to get square root of 6 over 4 plus square root of 2 over 4. And when I simplify this, I'm going to end up getting square root of 6 plus square root of 2 over 4. So cosine of 15 degrees as an exact answer would be root 6 plus root 2 over 4. Last, we have tangent of 15 degrees, and no point in making this difficult. I'm just going to steal from what I did before and say that this is 45 minus 30. So tangent of 15 is just tangent of 45 minus 30. So when I plug this into my tangent formula, I'm going to get tangent of 45 minus tangent of 30 over 1 plus tangent 45 times tangent 30. So finding the exact values for each one, tangent of 45 is just 1 minus tangent of 30 is square root of 3 over 3 all over 1 plus tangent of 45, 1, and tangent of 30, square root of 3 over 3. And so this isn't going to do as a simplified answer, so I'm going to make it look a bit nicer. So get an LCD up top, get an LCD in the bottom, and when I do that, I'm going to end up getting 3 minus root 3 over 3 for the top, and the bottom 3 plus root 3 over 3. And seeing as I got a 3 in the denominator of each part, I can just cancel those out. And I'm going to end up with 3 minus root 3 over 3 plus root 3. And that would be the exact answer for this tangent of 15 degrees.